What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today we are going to be making a bloom, and it's going to be awesome though. It's going to be really awesome. So I recently got a gift from Elise and Shelly Carruthers. They sent me a bunch of this little piggy stuff, some Josonja varnish because they know that I mix my stuff with that. They sent me a bunch of stuff and I'm super grateful. So I want to make this bloom and just enjoy the process. I also got some new swipe tools. These are 3D printed, so they're pretty nifty. And I'm gonna try those today. I've never used them, but so these are the colors. They're all this little piggy pigments that I've had or that Shelly and Elisa kind of gave me. And they're stunning colors together. So let's just get started with this, shall we? All right. So first, I specifically went to Walmart to get my pillow paint this time. It's Color Place Satin. So kind of want to put my money where my mouth is. I tell everybody when they ask me questions about it, I get a lot of questions about what kind of pillow specifically do I use. And all the research I've done and testing I've done with different products, I've always found it didn't matter. As long as it was a satin interior house paint, it will work. So with that, I just got the cheapest satin interior house paint I could find from Walmart, and we're gonna run with this. And we're gonna learn together whether or not it's true or not. So, how's everybody doing this wonderful day? I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Right now I'm just getting some popsicle sticks so I can drizzle some colors into this. And we will start out with this gorgeous color here. Now, you can see there's really no rhyme or reason to it. I do want to have some pretty dynamic layers. So this one's a really cool color. It's like a blue with a color shift green in it. So it's kind of a really interesting color. So, yeah, this is exciting. This is really exciting to get to use all these new powders and new color combinations that, you know, I've probably never used before. And to bring you guys along for the process. Because I do plan on doing that swipe. And then hopefully being able to do some really subtle embellishments with the stick, draw some lines through the composition, and rock it out. So yeah, super good day. I'm really happy to have you guys here. It's wonderful to see you guys shining faces. All right, I think we got a whole bunch of different colors and contrasts going on. So basically all I'm gonna do is take this, and I have my cell activator here, and I'm gonna pour some over the edge and just swipe across. So I want to explain the process because that part isn't going to be on camera. So I don't want you guys to miss out on it or wonder how I'm doing it. Because I try to be as transparent with my process as I can with you guys, because I know everybody wants to try it and do stuff, and I want you to have the opportunity. So here we go. Oh wow. This swipe tool works really good. I'm used to using the plastic, but look at that. Look at the cells in this thing, y'all. What the heck? That is really... I'm sorry, y'all. I'm geeking out over here, but that is freaking gorgeous. All right, and like I said, I want to do some like embellishments with the stick. Maybe just draw some straight lines because I'm going to try to stretch this as wide as it'll go. Hopefully, I'll be able to cover the majority of the canvas. There we go. Yeah, I feel like I want that to be in the middle. And then let me get a paper towel real quick so I can wipe off this stick, so I'm not dragging strange colors through different colors. Oh, that's cool. feel like this is gonna be really cool, y'all. And I know a lot of this here is probably gonna get spun off. Here is gonna get spun off, so right now I'm just messing with the composition a little bit on parts that I know are gonna remain on the canvas, or parts that I feel like they will remain. And just like that, we are ready to spin this bad boy out and see what we get. I did not notice this glare has been there the whole time. I apologize, y'all. I apologize. All right, we ready? I'm probably gonna have to spin it fairly hard just to get coverage, but it's okay if we have some negative space too. That's a lot of pillow paint, y'all. But no, I think it worked. I think we got what we were looking for. We sure did. That's so cool. It's like a zebra pattern almost. No, y'all, I like this. And these cells are gonna continue to get more and more defined. But like with that, this is a short one, a quick one, super easy. Anybody could replicate this. Let me get you guys down here. We're gonna check it out. Super awesome. Like, look at the cells in this thing, the cell structure, everything's really defined. The metallics actually go really well together. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.